Look at her. Oh my god.
Hey everyone, if you are new here, my name is Laura. If you aren't, welcome back and thanks for supporting me. A lot of you guys are spending your birthdays indoors and I want you guys to still feel special on your birthday. Today I'm going to recreate my birthday look. I will be doing my hair, my makeup, and I will be telling you guys what I wore and what I did to transform my bedroom into a breakfast in bed photo shoot. So keep on watching. The day of my birthday, I woke up happy. I was excited for the photo shoot. I just wanted my makeup to look flawless, so I took my time. I literally took like about 2 hours to do my makeup. I obviously didn't want the makeup to look too heavy because obviously it's a breakfast in bed photo shoot, so you gotta like pretend that you just woke up. So first I'm going to be priming my face. I'm going to use the Kylie Skin face moisturizer and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the Professional by Benefit Cosmetics and I'm going to do the same thing, just apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply foundation and I'm going to use the Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. And I'm going to use this kabuki brush. I'm just going to spray a little bit so it can be easier for me to blend the foundation. With my beauty blender, I'm just tapping the foundation onto my skin. So the day of my birthday, I woke up really early because the whole vibe of the photo shoot was breakfast in bed. I also wanted to take advantage of the light coming from outside. It really helped my look. It just all came together and the pictures came out perfect. So next I'm going to apply some concealer and I'm going to use the Shape Tape concealer. So now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Mink and I'm going to contour my face. I'm like putting a lot on my forehead because it's so huge. I'm going to take a smaller brush to blend out my nose. Since it is a photo shoot, you want to go all out. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, but I'm going to do them off camera. Since it was my birthday, I wanted to look glamorous. I wanted to feel like a Barbie. So for this look, I'm going to stick to pink colors, to highlight, to shine, to everything glamour. Now we're gonna go to the eyes. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer on my eyes. So I'm going to pick up the color Bare and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid. So if you guys were wondering, I did fix my palette. This is my favorite palette, so I had to. Now I'm going to take the color Cindy and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. From the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, I'm going to be picking up this light pink color. I'm applying this color on my brow bone and on top of my crease. So now I'm going to take the Soft Orchid paint pot and I'm going to create a crease. So now I'm going to take the color Aura and I'm going to apply it to the middle of my eye. Using the color Boli, I'm going to apply it to my inner corners. Now I'm taking this rose browns color and I'm going to apply it to my outer corners. So because I had a lot of fallout on my cheeks, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer. I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to use my wet beauty blender to do so. While my face bakes, I'm going to apply bronzer. Okay, now I'm going to take my powder brush and I'm going to spread the translucent powder all over my face. Now I'm going to take this Becca shimmering palette and I'm going to apply this pink highlighter. I'm going to be using this MAC Cosmetics blush in Melba. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm being super careful because I do not want to mess up this look. I do want to look as fabulous as I can, so I will be putting on lashes. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. I'm not going to make a wing. I just want to apply eyeliner right where the lashes sit. Now I'm going to go back and apply eyeshadow to my bottom lashes. I'm going to be picking up the color Cindy. I'm also going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm going to apply lipstick, and I'm taking this MAC Cosmetics lip liner in Whirl. So for my lipstick, I'm going to take this Kylie Jenner lipstick in, I think the shade is Dulce de Leche. To finish off my look, I'm going to use this Dewy Set finishing spray, and I'm just gonna apply all over my face. Yes, I'm looking fabulous. So now it's time to do our hair. I'm going to take this headband off. So it doesn't matter that your hair is dirty, frizzy, sticky, oily. It doesn't matter because this is what makes the curls last longer. So my camera died when I was explaining why we needed dirty hair to do this look. So while my camera was charging, I did put on eyeliner. I felt like something was missing. I didn't put eyeliner when I first created this look. So just to put that out there, this is like a little twist. I also turned on my curling iron, so it should be hot right now. So let's go do our hair. So I'm just gonna section off the bottom piece. I am not going to worry too much about getting every strand of hair curled because I want my look to look messy. I want my look to look messy. You guys get it? Now I'm going to take this paddle brush and I'm going to brush over the curls. I'm going to take this Tresemme hairspray and I'm going to spray my hair. So I also put on this birthday girl crown. You do not need to put a crown. This was my final birthday shoot look. If you guys like this look, give this video a thumbs up. So now I'm going to talk about how I decorated my bed. I bought about 3 packs of 6 balloons and I had my little brother and sister help me fill them up. I also bought balloons with my age number and I got them filled up at the party store. What I did the next day was that I took all the balloons that we filled up and I threw them all over the bed. I took the balloons with my age number and I put them in the middle of the bed. My best friends had given me a birthday cake, so I used that as prop. I also took a bottle of wine from my kitchen. So I didn't want to wear any type of pajama for this shoot. I wanted to wear something fancy, something silky. So I had remembered that I bought a pajama set from Victoria's Secret. It was a top and some shorts with the robe and it was perfect for the look. If you guys have something similar, you guys can use that. So I sat down in the middle of the bed and I threw the balloons around me and held the cake with one hand and the bottle of wine with the other. I had my sister take the pictures for me. She used the Canon EOS 3, I think that's what it's called. This birthday shoot is really popular on social media. It is also really easy to set up. Taking these pictures really made me feel like it was my day and the memories that I made I will never forget. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!